Because at the zoo, they're always...
Listen. Shake it.
Shake it, please. Can you please shake it again?
Nathan.
Oh my gosh, it's on. Have some corn. Look, have some corn.
Nathan, filming it. Stop it, boys. Stop it, boys. We are impressed by your tail. Yes, we are.
You are so cool.
It's the most impressive tail I've ever
Especially
seen.
like the bottom ones. Where it's kind of...
Shake it, dude. Shake it.
Shake it. Strut your stuff like a
Nathan,
peacock.
stop that. Stop
You are
that.
a peacock. Can you strut your stuff? Can you please shake your feathers? Can you please shake your feathers? Can you please shake your feathers? Like have some corn?
No, I'm filming.
You are.
So, dude, I just want a girlfriend.
You're so cool.
I just
You're
want
so
a girlfriend.
cool. Can you please shake them? Can you please shake your feathers, please? Can you please? You're so cool.
It's like, come here, baby, look at me.
There's a girl. There's a girl.
That's cool.
She's like, wow. Trying to impress her.
You think she's impressed?
Nope. I don't think she even notices him.